WatchJojo. WatchJojo.
This poor lizard got into a nasty tangle inside a bird's beak, only for it to wriggle free, leaving its tail behind. Amateur wildlife photographer, Salah Bouzizi, 46, living in Orange County but originally from Algeria, took time out from his job as a software developer to snap the dramatic mealtime. Salah captured the shocking sequence of an egret snacking on a lizard at the Bolsa Chica Wildlife Conservancy in Southern California as he watched from around 10 meters away. He started seriously wildlife photography 7 years ago and now specializes in birds in action. Salah said, "Egrets usually fish at the wetlands, but on this particular sunny hot winter day, I noticed this egret hunting in some unusual spots where eventually it was stalking and hunting lizards. I guess the heat had a role in having the lizards come out in open sunny areas to regulate their body temperature." Egrets are proficient stalkers and eat mainly fish but also just about any living animal they can swallow. Their diet includes everything and anything along the lines of birds, rodents, fish, insects, worms, dragonflies and snakes.
Subscribe for more.